Hi, I'm Lane Hickenbottom with the Omaha Headshot Company, here to give you tips and tricks on how to get a fantastic headshot. Today, I'm going to talk to you about facial expressions. So usually when people come in for their headshot session, they usually have their smile, their look, their go-to when they're looking at the camera. Now, a lot of times that's a great shot, but a lot of times there's shots that they would never think of intentionally giving to the camera that could convey like completely different looks. Sometimes it's like a look where I'm trying to hold back my smile, but smile. Or sometimes it's just like like in a laughter, like if you're laughing, it just looks a lot more genuine. Uh, Sometimes it's like a little bit more inquisitive. So during your session, we're going to play around a little bit. We might role play a little bit. We might goof around. We're going to definitely keep it light. We're going to have fun, but we're going to explore a couple of different expressions and just see if something that's not your go-to might become your new go-to. Lane Hickenbottom with Omaha Headshot Company. We look forward to seeing you.